Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to fix TikTok ads not delivering. First, open the Start menu and click on Settings. Here, click on Network and Internet from the left side. Now check your Wi-Fi connection. If it is turned off, turn it back on and make sure you are connected to a stable and reliable internet connection. Then click on Advanced Network Settings. Now select Network Reset and follow the prompts to refresh your network settings if needed. After that, click on Windows Update from the left side. Then, click Check for updates and install any available updates before restarting your computer if prompted. Now, go back to the desktop and open the Run dialog by pressing Windows+R. Here, type temp and click OK. A temporary files folder will open. Delete all the files you can to clear unnecessary cached data. Then go back and open the Run dialog again. This time type %temp% and click OK. Now delete the files in this folder as well. Next, open the Recycle bin. Here click Empty Recycle bin to permanently remove the deleted files. Now open Google Chrome, then click on the three dots from the top right corner. Click Settings. Here select Privacy and Security from the left side. Now click Delete Browsing Data. Choose a suitable time range and check the boxes for browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. Then click Delete Data and wait for the process to finish. Once completed, close and reopen Google Chrome. Now sign in to your TikTok Ads Manager account again and check whether your campaigns are delivering properly. If your ads are still not delivering, review your campaign status, budget, billing information, audience targeting, and ad approval status to make sure there are no restrictions preventing delivery. You can also check for any notifications or policy warnings inside TikTok Ads Manager that may require action before your ads can start running. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.